An engine misfire is a common car problem that causes rough driving, shaking, or reduced power. It happens when fuel does not burn properly inside the engine. Fixing it early helps prevent bigger engine problems and expensive repairs. First, you should know that an engine can only run smoothly when it gets air, fuel, and spark in the right amount. If any of these is weak or missing, the engine will not run properly and may misfire. Using a scan tool is one of the easiest ways to find out why your engine is misfiring. A scan tool connects to your car's computer and reads error codes that show which cylinder or system is causing the problem. These codes can point to problems with spark plugs, ignition coils, fuel injectors, or sensors. Once you know the code, you can focus on the exact part that needs repair or replacement. This saves time and helps fix the misfire more accurately. If the problem is indicated by the code P0303, it means there is a problem with cylinder 3's ignition coil and spark plug. The first step is to remove the ignition coil of the direct coil fire ignition. Loosen the head bolt that holds it in place, so you can access the spark plug. You will see a wire harness with a clip on it. Simply pull the clip and lift it up. Once the coil is removed, inspect it carefully. If you see black and white soot on it, this means the coil has cracked internally, and when it fires, the electricity is grounding through the engine block. If not, it means the coil is likely still good, and the problem may be with the spark plug or another part of the ignition system. The next step is to remove the spark plug using a socket and wrench. If you notice the spark plug is covered in black soot, looks wet, or has a glossy coating, it indicates that the spark plug is not firing properly. To confirm, swap the coil and spark plug with those from cylinder 5. Then, run the car again and check if the code clears. If the misfire moves to cylinder 5, it confirms that the original coil or spark plug is faulty, so simply replace it. By following this method, you can effectively diagnose and repair an engine misfire. A fuel injector cleaner is an easy way to fix engine misfires caused by dirty injectors. It is added to the fuel tank and helps remove carbon deposits that block fuel flow. This cleaning improves engine performance, smooths out rough idling, and increases fuel efficiency. Using a quality cleaner keeps your engine running smoothly and helps avoid misfires. By carefully following these steps, you can easily diagnose and fix an engine misfire, improving performance and keeping your car running smoothly.